Okay, this got my interest when I spotted earlier that this was quite a clever design, but difficult to clean. So I thought I'd buzz it off and see how difficult it is to get off, and what it is all about, because it is actually quite interesting. There's the underside. So that faces down. Let's turn the camera. That faces. Let's turn the camera. So, interesting. This is the view. This is the view. This is how it fits on. Okay. So this is how the correct position upside down. So what actually happens is a rotation of the wheel going that way sends the spray up. Normally would have hit here and hit the top, but now there's a slot. You can see it there, which is really clever. So the water fires up there, fires down the back and comes out the bottom, which, to be honest with you, pretty ingenious. Let's give it a test, see how it goes. So, over in dog wash land, this is where I wash the dog. We're gonna send the water up inside it. So any water hitting this surface here that would normally hit the top of the bike and give you a wet arse is being directed back down. Pretty clever. Ingenious. Just wish the bloke that designed this designed the under tray, but he didn't. Now, getting the damn thing back on should really have Loctite on it, but today I'm not going to bother. I'd highly recommend you guys getting the thread started on these before any kind of force with a because they're aluminium and there'll be nothing left of it if you get it wrong. And I imagine this little bit here is going to be costly. You'll end up rethreading that and putting a different size bolt in. Anyway, I thought that was fairly interesting. But I'm hoping my idea about my complaint about cleaning it is incorrect, because if you just fire a jet wash up there, you should be able to get rid of most of it.